Well, hello students, here we are, already into week 4, could you believe it? And I'm really pleased with the threads, you guys have really been doing great. Just remember to give me 2 paragraphs, 2 substantive quality paragraphs. Give me 2, but I really would like you to give me 1 back and then respond to a peer in your class. Again, when you respond to a peer, just let me know who it is you're responding to. Like I say, I can't see it, all the threads. I only see the responses when I go to correct them. Um, okay, so this coming week, in week 4, we got 2 really important chapters we're going to cover throughout the days in several parts. Chapter 7 and Chapter 9. Chapter 7 is largely on motivation. We're going to be talking about, what are some of the theories behind motivation? Talk about some of the theorists. What are the things behind self-efficacy? And we're talking about organizational justice. What are the dimensions, the 4 dimensions of organizational justice? The big thing behind motivation is job engagement. How do we get our employees involved in the day-to-day functions? How do we get them to really like what they do? Sometimes that's impossible. People just go to their jobs for a paycheck. But using the principles of Maslow's pyramid, hierarchy of needs, how do we make our employees, keep them engaged so they know that they are a part of the organization's success? The next thing is Chapter 9. During the week, we're going to talk about groups, and groups are so important. Identifying with groups is really an important thing because we go through different stages. When groups come together, they have to kind of form, then they storm. Okay, that's the second thing. Forming, storming. What's storming about? It's how do we get to really know each other and agree and disagree and then get all on the same page. When we finally get on the same page, that's called norming. And then after that, once we start norming and we get a good balance of who we are, we start putting it all together and then we start performing as a team. We've looked at all different types of great teams, and I put some really neat video camps up there for you to take a look at on that. So it's important to understand group development, and on the team, what are some of the roles that we play on teams? We're looking for group cohesiveness. How do we keep it together? But how do we keep it together with good, diverse principles? Diversity is so important in groups, taking the best out of everybody from different cultures, different ideas, different things that motivate us, and putting them all together so we can become the best possible teams. So it's going to be a really exciting week with these things. You guys know how to get me if you need me. Threads are there. Good luck, and have a great week. Professor G.